I think for most of us interning this semester, COVID-19 has presented some major challenges these last couple of months. Specifically for me, the challenge has been in drafting a remote learning plan for both sites I have interned at, both the elementary and the high school, and then assisting with a district-wide plan. With 14 different components having to be addressed, these plans have not been another check this task off the list and keep on going. With remote learning being a real possibility in the future of public education, how do we as educators address these issues? We learned so much at the end of the school year regarding what students were able to do and what they were not in terms of remote learning. To help address these concerns and challenges, I was able to create several different student parent guardian surveys to obtain data for all of these remote learning plans. As a result, I was also able to actually talk to stakeholders and hear their concerns. My site principal at the elementary school, Miss Metter, gave me some really solid advice early in my internship about how most parents and guardians just want to be heard. They want to feel like what they have to say matters and they need a listening ear. She said that we, school administrators, have to be those listening ears. This truth became even more apparent as I continued to reach out to parents and the community regarding options for remote learning. As a reflective practitioner, Standard 6 external development leadership came to mind in thinking about this major challenge. The community, specifically our parents and our guardians who bear the burden of remote learning, were a huge help, and their voice was so important when creating these remote learning plans. We as leaders cannot make decisions solely on our own. We need to hear from our parents and our students, and we need to listen to what they have to say. Standard 6 speaks to the heart of this, and it immediately came to my mind after reflecting. While the work on our plans are not completely finished, I'm thankful to have been surrounded by some outstanding school leaders and will continue to build upon what I have learned from them. We all have a voice and desire to be heard.